Hello friends, let's do the ninth chapter of this book, which is these, that, these and those. So here, for close or here, that means for objects that are close or here or they are singular, we use this. And for plural, we use these. For objects that are far from us or there, or that is, we are pointing to a far object. So for singular we use that and plural we use those. Okay, now look at the pictures, fill in the blanks with these, that, these or those. The first one is dash is an aeroplane in the sky. Aeroplane is far away from us, so we will use, an aeroplane is single, so we will use that. Now the second one, dash are my uncle's dogs. There are two dogs. This is plural, so we will use, and it is near, so we will use these. THESE, these. These are my uncle's dogs. The third one is dash is my wheelchair. This is my wheelchair. Dash stars are shining bright. Stars. So we will use those. Those stars are shining bright. Now here we use these, that, these and those to point out people, animal or things close by or at a distance. Now here you can see that this is to remember, we use this for a singular noun that is close by. For example, this is my uniform, and these for plural nouns that are close by. For example, these books are mine. We use that for a singular noun that is far away. So for example, that is bird in the sky. We use those for plural nouns that are far away. For example, those heels are beautiful. Now here, fill in the blanks with this or that. Dash is my kite on the tree. It got stuck there. So what we will use here? We will use that because it is far. This cap on my head keeps the sun away because cap is on his head. Is dash your dress? Is this your dress? No, mine is in. If she is pointing to a for almari, it will be no, mine is in that almirah you saw in the bedroom. Okay. Hello, dash is my friend Sarika. Hello, this is my friend Sarika. Nice to meet you, Sarika. Dash is my wallet. I keep it in my pocket so that I don't lose it. So what we will use here? This only, because pocket is nearby. This is my wallet. I keep it in my pocket. Dash shoes that I am wearing are new. So what we will use? For plural we will use these. Dash animals in the natural park were very friendly. Those animals. Dash hot air balloons in the sky look colorful. Those. Dash blankets on my bed are very warm. These. Dash bangles that I am wearing were a gift from my sister. These. Now the C part. This, that, these and those have been used incorrectly. They have been used incorrectly in the sentence. So write the correct word to replace them. These is my cat. It is very clever. So these is used for plural. So here what will come? This. That mice are always nibbling at the food in the kitchen. So what will come over here? The mice is plural. So for mice we will use these. Or you can write those. Those mice are always nibbling at the food in the kitchen. These coats are very expensive. So these, THESE, because coats is there. And fourth one is those star is shining bright. So what we will write? That star, because star is singular. That boys is standing there are in my cricket team. So what will come? Those boys. These is my friend Abhishek. This, THIS, this. These flowers are on sale. these flowers, and these are my crayons. These are my crayons. THESE. Now fill in the blanks with this, that, these, and those. So what we will write? Dash is my magic umbrella. So we'll write this is my magic umbrella. These birds seem to like it too. Look, dash houses look so small from here. Look, those houses, because it is she or he is pointing. He is pointing to the houses. Those houses look so small from here. Dash clouds are so near. So these clouds, THESE, these, because he is flying. Here, dash is my house. Its stairs are made of wood. So what we will write? This is my house. Its stairs are made of wood. Dash house look amazing. That house look amazing, because there is single house. The boy and the girl, they are talking to each other. Dash boat is better. So we'll write this boat is better because it is near to them. This boat is better. And here it is work in pairs, and imagine that you are the two people in this picture and talk to each other. We have to imagine that we are in this picture and we have to talk to each other by using this, that, these, or those. So here first one is for two examples have been given. Look at that naughty monkey on the tree. That monkey is naughty, but this puppy is not. Okay, the monkey, that, because it is far from this girl. She is saying that that monkey is naughty, but this puppy is not. So what another we can write? Imagine that it is you, this boy, and he is saying, look at that sun shining brightly. Okay, and he can also say, that rabbit near the tree is cute. Okay, so we end this chapter over here. Do share with your friends, like and subscribe, friends. Thank you.